This landscape is so much different from what I just left. Now I am at backpacking camp number 5 in Cascade State Park. It kind of looks like baby food, but it kind of tastes like mashed potatoes and gravy and pork. So definitely we'll be having that again. Lookout Point. It's Tuesday morning. Spend the night in the wilderness, don't see anything. Get in my car, see a deer. Or 2 deer, 3 deer. Okay, change of plans. I am going to hike this hike and then which looks really nice, and then get a hotel tonight. I can feel the temperature dropping, and they say that thunderstorms and lightning are coming in around 2 o'clock this afternoon. No idea what these are caused by. They're all over this tree. Okay, tired of river pictures yet. This is the Cross River. Really beautiful, but holy smokes, they still have snow here. Freaked out a little bit because I took a wrong turn, but luckily I only went 0.3 miles out of where I was supposed to be. I didn't take that turn right there by N because I thought that the shelter was there, but I should have known that the shelter was on the left. It should have been on the right. So luckily I have my GPS thing too, and I know that I should be following that river even though the trail isn't on there. And there's my car. Yay! Yay! I am in a hotel, just taking some time to regroup. I kind of feel like a wimp already. I've only had 2 nights out. It was so cold that first night. I'm kind of afraid of anything below 40 degrees. More falls. It is day 3, and I'm going up to Carlton Keys. I feel like I have to go super fast, the easy parts, because this part just kicks my butt. This is what I just climbed up. Well, not all the way up here, but it's still raining. You can't see anything. That's like a view of the peak. And then look at what I found here. A little cave. This is where I'm gonna stop and have some lunch, regroup, dry off a bit, hopefully. Doing okay, feeling okay. Just wish the rain would let up. I am at Springdale Campground. I knew it was going to rain tonight, which I was okay, I can deal with rain. But what I forgot about was with rain comes mud. So my shoes, this is after I've already shaken them off once. But my shoes are just toast and I have mud all over my tent and it's everywhere. But I did successfully, I think, keep my blanket clean. So we will see tonight what happens. I have on 3 layers. I have on my my Under Armour, and then I have on my flannel, and then I have on cotton. Maybe tonight I'm just gonna make some supper and then go to bed, watch a movie or something. At Brighton Peak, left the campground this morning and now headed back to my car. Gonna go through Carlton Peak. This is the trail. This is the view. Great way to end. What am I on, day 4? This park is just beautiful. Final day. Got down to 23 yesterday. Good thing I didn't camp. I'm headed, this is Penn Boulevard. I'm going up to Bean and Bear Lake, Mount Trudy, and turning around. At Tattagouche State Park. I'm gonna go see the Minnesota highest waterfall. It's about a mile up here, and then I'm gonna go back and then basically be done. Whoa! Check this out. Holy smokes, this is beautiful. Here's the top. On the swinging bridge. It is kind of bouncy. This is so cool though. There's the falls.